This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing routing and a clean aux send so the delay behaves predictably. Open Logic Pro, create an aux track, and insert Delay Designer or Tape Delay as an effect. Set the plugins dry/wet to 0% while you assign sends from your source tracks. This prevents sudden doubling. Next, set each track send to around -6 to -12 dB so you have headroom. Once done, engage the delay and raise wet gradually to hear the effect blend with the original signal. With routing set, you now dial timing and timbre to fit the mix. Decide between tempo-synced 1/4, 1/8, or triplet subdivisions. Match these to the track's feel so delays lock to rhythm. Once chosen, increase feedback slowly. Around 10% yields one repeat, 30% gives a tail. Use modulation for subtle motion. Then sculpt the repeats with the delay's high-cut and low-cut filters to remove harsh highs and muddiness. Make sure to automate delay parameters, where sections need more or less presence. Finish by automating wet, feedback, and send levels so the delay supports arrangement changes without overwhelming the mix. Use pre-fader sends when you want the delay independent of fader moves. Use post-fader if you want delay to track volume. Check stereo width, pan duplicate delays, or use mid-side processing to avoid center masking. If things go wrong and the mix becomes cluttered, reduce feedback, engage a stronger high cut, or sidechain the delay with a compressor so the dry signal breathes through cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.